welcome to the mountains of wild, wonderful West Virginia, home of the New River Gorge and Rivers Whitewater. We're here at our put-in at Stone Cliff, West Virginia, gearing up for another whitewater expedition down the mighty New River, which is running about 10 feet above normal for this time of year today. Right now, Terry, Griffin, our trip leaders, breaking everyone down in the group, setting them up with their guides and their rafts. Check these guys out before they get set to put out on the water.
Is this a ritual, my man?
All right. Uh-oh, safety first.
Hey, dude, you talk about water. Anything, do you? Hell yeah. I'll talk to you.
You guys ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Take care of these guys, Lee.
Hey, I'll try my best.
Yeah! 600 feet today. Big ride, big fun.
Taking away the moments that make up the time.
Okay, you don't have to be so quiet. You guys are camera shy, huh? Pick these guys up, Jason.
What's up, Mike? Take these in the shots.
Thinking around on a piece of ground in your hometown. Waiting for someone.
I see back here on the back right. On the front left here. Kind of offset me. Alright. Come on around here. It's not how fast we paddle, okay? It's how well we paddle together. Just like this. Okay? Oh, what I want you guys to do is...
Years have gone behind you. No one told you when to run.
Jump in!
Where's your paddle?
In the boat.
Okay, just checking.
Right here, just move that bag out of your way.
Okay, looks like everyone's out on the water. We're ready to go. Guys, give us some last minute safety instructions, and it's time to begin our 15-mile journey down the rugged and scenic New River Canyon. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. Just a short distance downstream from our put-in, we made it to our first rapid of the day under the old Thurman Bridge. It's called Rudy's Ripple, a big curling reactionary wave over here on River Right. Upstream, our boats make their approach on Rudy's. That'll be our trip leader, Terry Griffin, and his crew leading the way. Boats are going to line it up with a right-hand angle, drop down in this huge hole. Yeah, big hit. Lee and his team very close behind. Next up, Jason and his crew. And for our last and final boat, will be Kenny McCoy and our sweet crew. Looks like these guys ready to keep this trip moving on downriver. I'll get back to my boat and catch up with you downstream. But first, before we hit the big whitewater, we're going to make our customary stop here at Jump Rock. Let these guys climb on up here. Make some sacrifices to the river, guys. Okay, we're ready. Jump. You know, flip.
When I come home, cold and tired, it's good to warm my bones beside the fire.
Double. What are you gonna do for us? I'll splash my camera.
Cannonball.
Cannonball.
Go for it.
Ready. Watch out, could run over.
Wait, Jake, wait. I'm waiting.
No, he's talking to Mert. I don't think he's talking to y'all.
Organized chaos here at Jump Rock once again. Okay,
There you go.
rock and roll. Ouch, sounded like it hurt. Next. Okay, go, 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 go. Your boat's floating away. Better hurry up. She sounded funny like that. Downstream.
Take what you want from me. It's my mistake if you let it be. That's how you learn. Don't let it bring you down. Anyone, you can do it. If you want it, then you got it. Anyone, you can do it. If you want it, then you got it. I'm not one to inspire loud. You're feeling dead, you're feeling proud, and I don't think you even try. You fill the hole for dreams.
I love it. Just beyond the halfway point of our trip, we're down at Upper Railroad Rapids with the rapids get longer, steeper, more dangerous. Big ledge hole up top called the Maytag. Unrunnable at low water levels, but it looks good today. Terry and his crew look like they're lining up for the Maytag. Whoa, my God! Terry and his crew look like they're lining up for the Maytag.
You will recover.
Oh my goodness! Lunch and hit! Terry's swimming back to the boat. Some of these guys look like they may be swimming the whole way on their own. Go upstream, check out Jason and his team. Good hit over there to the left. Whoop, we lost the guide.
To another, don't run for cover. There's no other. Into another, baby. And when the time is right, I got you in my sight. I'll reach into
Danny's holding on to somebody, trying to pull somebody in with him. Danny looks like he'll get safety back into his grasp. Action still happening down there with Terry and his crew. Guys, looks like they're swimming back out to the left. Terry and these guys in the boat without paddles. Big pool down below. These guys are all the way down at the bottom now. Looks like we're going to have to pick up the pieces here at Upper Railroad. More whitewater action coming up downstream. Don't go well. Be right back. We're down in the heart of the New River Gorge now. We're at the Kenny Brother Rapids. Upper, Middle, and Lower Kenny all become one long rapid at this higher water level. These are the type of rapids that give this river its nickname, the Grand Canyon of the East. Bad spot here at the top right side of Lower Kenny called the Meat Grinder. All the current's pushing in there. Boats want to keep working their way left. Trying to stay away from the Meat Grinder. Upstream, the gateway to the gorge, Whale Rock, and Upper Kenny Rapids. Right now our rafts are making their way through Upper Kenny. I'm gonna try to work it back to the right behind Moss Hole. Big hydraulics, 10-foot waves, braking left and right. You don't want any swimmers here. Let them get swept away from the boat. Could get dangerous. You get close to the Meat Grinder. Everyone making it safely back to the left away from Meat Grinder, dropping down through Lower Kenny now. And it's not over till you're through the Meat Grinder, or I'm sorry, Lollygag on the bottom left side, big curling wave. Crew gonna get a piece of lollygag, it looks like. Nice hit. Kenny and his team sweeping it up here. Everyone looking real smooth here at Kenny Brothers. That's gonna wrap it up for us here at the Kenny's. Let's see what else the New River has in store for us today. Check it out, guys. This is a good one. Double Z. One of the most constricted rapids out here on the New River Gorge. Bad undercuts like the butcher block all over the place. Bad waves and holes out here, sticky pour-overs. Upstream, one of the most dangerous places we'll see out here today called Barry's Hole. 10-foot pour-over, recirculating water behind it. Folks will want to stay just off the right side of Barry's Hole. Then tuck it in behind, working left. Away from Holiday Rock on the bad eddy line on the bottom right side. Carrying his crew coming past there, he's taking a good look down in there. Big tail waves down here. Jason and his team right behind, getting a good ride. And finally Kenny and the sweep crew. Out of control whitewater here. Trip is moving fast. Looking real good at Double Z. There it is, folks, almost directly above our takeout. The longest single span arc. Guys, that's it. Looks like that's going to wrap up our New River Gorge trip. Everyone headed on home to the takeout. I hope you enjoyed yourself. On behalf of myself, Mike, your video man, I'd like to thank you for joining us and welcome back. It's time for me to sign up and say so long and see you next time from below the world famous New River Gorge Arch Bridge. Until the next time we see everybody, take care.